XYZ Bank Amsterdam wants to purchase rupee against pound for funding their Nostro account and have credited Loro account with Bank of London in London. Calculate the pounds credited. Interbank rates are given to you. Per dollar, rupee is equal to something, and per pound, dollar is equal to something. Okay, so first of all, let's take the information given in the question and present it in a way where it's very easy to then derive information from that particular data and solve the question, right? Let's do this. Solution. First of all, read this question very carefully. Purchase rupee, that is buy rupee, against pound means sell pound. Okay, so there are two currencies involved, rupee and pound. So buy rupee, that is sell pound. Now if you see the interbank rates, they've given per dollar rupee is equal to the bid and the ask rate given, and per pound dollar is equal to. So if you look carefully, there are no direct rates for rupee upon pound. Okay, there are this interbank rates given are of denominated in different currencies. So these are cross rates. We have to derive this one rate of rupee by pound. Okay, so therefore interbank rates given, we'll write that per dollar means dollar will be in the denominator. Why? Because dollar is the standard currency per dollar. Okay, $1 rupee is equal to, so rupee by dollar is equal to 61.3625 and 61.3700. Next, per pound, so pound will go into the denominator, dollar is equal to, so dollar by pound is equal to 1.5260 and 1.5270. These are the rates that we have, and we have the basic understanding of XYZ Bank having to buy rupee and sell pound. Okay, now what we need a rupee by pound rate. So therefore we will perform the cross rate of rupee by pound is equal to, where is pound? Here. So dollar upon pound into this one, rupee upon dollar. If you look very carefully, this dollar will cancel out and will leave the rupee upon pound for us, which is what we want. Now both are given, it is bid and ask rate for both these quotations are given. Now what to select, also what to do, should we multiply them or should we divide them? To understand that very briefly, I'll give you an explanation for that as well. Okay, our starting point has to be, we want to purchase rupee and sell pound. Okay, so sell pound, when will I sell pound? When I would have pound in my dollars. So XYZ Bank has pound and they want to sell that pound in order to get rupee. Unfortunately, a direct quote between pound and rupee is not available, so we have to use the cross rates and see. Sell pound. Okay, XYZ Bank will sell pound. Where is pound in both these quotes? This is say quote 1, quote 2. Here we have pound in this dollar upon pound quote. A direct pound quote is given to you. So, and I have to sell, and a direct pound quote is given to you. I have to sell pound. So what should I, what is the rate that I should be taking? The higher or the lower rate? Right? Sell at what? Always sell at low. The customer always sells at a lower rate in forex market. Okay, so the rate that I will be selecting is this one. This rate is immaterial to me. Okay, this is the final rate that I have selected. Great. Now after this, what do I have in hand? After selling pound, what do I get? I will receive dollar. So receive, or should I say the right word to use here would be buy dollar. So now XYZ Bank has dollar in hand. Okay, but at the end of the transaction, what I need, what the XYZ Bank would need is rupee. I do not need dollar, I need rupee. And after selling pound, I bought dollar. I will sell this dollar as well. At which rate? So if you see, there is one more quote given to us. This quote is rupee by, This quote is rupee by dollar quote, and I have dollar. I want to sell this dollar. The quote is also a dollar quote. Okay, direct dollar quote is given to you. Sell dollar, so sell at high or low. Again, low, right? Sell always at low in forex market. Okay, so which one would I select? This one. Again, this one is immaterial for me, so I'll select this. Now I have selected both the quotes, okay, from the ask and the bid part. Now what are the actions that I'll take? There are only two possible actions in forex. Either you divide or you multiply the quote with the exposure amount. Okay, now we'll just continue this. See, sell pound, and after selling pound you receive, and you bought dollar. Now you are also selling this dollar. Sell dollar, and what you bought at the end, we've already selected this rupee by dollar quote. You bought rupee. Okay, so buy rupee. So I have reached my end destination of buying rupee. Okay, buy rupee. I've reached this. This is what XYZ wanted. Okay, purchase rupee. So therefore the exposure that I have is rupee 25 million, right? I'll write this down. Therefore exposure is equal to rupee 25 million. Okay, rupee. Now from both these selected quotes, where do you find rupee? Rupee by dollar and dollar by pound. So which is rupee by dollar? This one. So this quote will be used. But if you see carefully, I have rupee in this quote, but this is a dollar quote, a direct dollar quote. So the exposure amount is in rupee, the quote is in dollar, two different currencies. So what do? You divide or multiply? You divide. So we have to divide this quote, right? So we take this 61.3625, right? So this will be divided rupee by dollar 61.3625. Okay, when you solve this, you get an answer in terms of dollars. Okay, so when you solve this, just let's solve here. 25 million 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 61.3625, which is 407,414.95. okay, dollar, very important, dollar. So now your exposure is dollars. Okay, the other quote that we have is this one, dollar upon pound. Okay, and the exposure for me right now is dollar, and the quote, a direct quote that I have, is a pound quote. If you look carefully, dollar upon pound, a direct pound quote is there. So again, the currencies are not matching, they are different, so you have to divide this. We've already selected this quote, right? So these quotes are immaterial. We've selected this. What the further action that has to be done is divide or multiply. Since this is a direct pound quote and my exposure now is in terms of dollar, so I have to divide this, right? So I'll divide 1.5260, this divided by 1.5260, divide this by 1.526, is you are getting something as 266,982. What currency? Okay, this currency was dollar upon pound. So dollar goes, this is pound, and this is what you wanted, right? If you see the question is clearly asked, calculate the amount of pounds credited. So this is the amount of pounds credited, this. If in the solutions you see the answer they are getting is 267,500, this difference is roughly of 500 rupees, is because of the round off. We did not do that round off here in the quotations. If you do that, you'll get the answer. It's a 500 rupee difference, right? So this is basically the final answer. Very important thing is to understand how to solve the sum, how to understand the flow of the solution. That is more important. Then the round off and etc. you can do. And this is just a revision, okay, that we are doing. Okay, next sum.